Okay, so I've been talking about installing Quake on Linux, and it's super simple. But one thing is actually I forgot to even look into doing for you guys in a video because I usually listen to my own soundtrack was getting the original music on the game because it's not in the game, right? So games back in the day when you got the game on disc, lots of times the first track of the game was data, the game itself, and then the other tracks were the soundtrack. So when you get the modern game, if you don't have a CD player on your computer and the original disc, you won't get any music. Modern ports take that into account. You can load MP3s into a music folder, which I'm going to talk about in this video, and then it will play it from there, but you have to get the soundtrack. So as I just noted, this is the soundtrack right here. And again, as you can see, the first track is actually track 2. So that's important when you are creating these files. So first things first, right? If you have the original CD, rip the audio, or you can just put it in your drive and it might start playing it. But if not, it is up on internetarchive.org. Someone uploaded the soundtrack there. You can download it there if you have the rights to do that. I'm not telling you to do something illegal. Also, it is up on the official Nine Inch Nail album website or YouTube channel. So the music is by Trent Reznor, the lead singer and creator of Nine Inch Nails, and the whole album is up on their YouTube channel. And if you know what you're doing, you know that you can get the music off there. I can't really say how because anytime I mention that you can even do this in a YouTube video, I get a strike against me. So hopefully I haven't said too much already. There are notes in the description of this video that will help you along there. But you have to download the album. But remember, track 1, this Quake theme, is actually going to have to be labeled track 2. So what do we do with that? We get the MP3s, we create a music folder. So I am in my directory on my Linux system, USR share games Quake, and then I'm in the ID1 folder. So you can either put things here, and Quake should look for your game files here. Again, in previous videos, we put the pack files in here, right? And those are the game data files, so all the levels and sounds and not the music. And so it's going to look for it there. If for some reason it's saying it can't find it, in a previous video I talked about how you use -basedir and point it to the directory above your ID1 folder. So again, this is the most complicated thing, is just getting the music working. And again, lots of times when I play video games, I listen to my own music, right? But the thing about the soundtrack for Quake is it isn't music, right? It's actually very atmospheric and it adds to the levels. Trent Reznor is very good at doing that. So you may want this even if you're listening to other music while playing. Anyway, within this ID1 folder, you're going to create a music folder. And if I list what's inside that music folder, it's the MP3s, again, starting with track 02. So you just have to label them like this and make sure they're in the right order. There should be 10 tracks, but they're labeled 2 to 11. Once you do that, when you run Quake, it will start playing the music. Of course, I'm not going to play it here because I'll get a strike on my channel or some sort of penalty. But that's it. You just have to get the music, label them again as track 02, track 03 in the right order, put them in the music folder in a subdirectory of where your game data is, and Quake should automatically see that. Again, as I've mentioned in previous videos, Quake should automatically look here. When I was using Vulkan Linux, it didn't know to look here, so I actually had to say, you could say Quake -basedir, and you would give it this directory, and it will look for the ID1 folder within there. That should work. Yeah. So that's it. I hope you found this useful, and I hope you have fun listening to a nice atmospheric soundtrack while playing Quake.